Number 1. Conair Pro Hair Dryer with Ionic Conditioning. Features: 5-foot power cord. Ionic technology. Tourmaline, ceramic technology. Pros: 2 heat speed settings. Foldable design. Inbuilt handle for portability. Even airflow distribution. Extra large hood. Adjustable height. Cons: may die sooner. Number 2. Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Hair Dryer. Features: ultra lightweight design. Folding handle. Removable filter stand. 2 heat speed settings. The excellent Ionic generator guarantees safety and performance. There's a removable concentrator nozzle for easy carrying. Pros: nano titanium technology. Ionic technology. 6 heat speed settings. Cool shot button. 2000 watts. Concentrator nozzle. Cons: the nozzle occasionally fell off the hairdryer. Number 3. Conair Infinitipro Hair Dryer. Features: 1875 watts AC motor. Titanium ceramic technology. Locking cold shot. 3 heat and 2 speed settings. Concentrator and diffuser. Filter cleaning brush. Pros: quick drying. 3 heat and 2 speed settings. True cold shot button. Long power cord. Includes diffuser and concentrator attachments. Features Ionic and ceramic technology. Removable filter. Cons: might feel heavy. Cord is shorter than average. Number 4. Jinri Professional Salon Grade Hair Dryer. Features: incorporated with 2 speed settings. Hair will be protected from extreme heat. Hair will attain appropriate moisture, silkiness, and smoothness. Will not produce much noise during the operation. Pros: lightweight. Budget-friendly. Decent drying performance. Anti-leakage plug for added safety. Cons: ugly design. Less long-lasting motor. Number 5. Revlon Compact Travel Hair Dryer. Features: made lightweight and compact for portability. Your hair will attain excellent shine and smoothness. Generates efficient and controlled airflow. Pros: compact design. Lightweight and portable. Heat and speed setting. Durable. Cons: diffuse attachment is not included.